Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study Haber cycle. First of all, we have to draw a line. This is enthalpy change. In the first step, we are having Na in the form of solid plus half of chloride in the form of gas gives, draw a line, and which gives us NaCl in the form of solid. So this is first path or first step. Here enthalpy decrease. This you have to not forget. Here enthalpy decrease, and here enthalpy of formation is included, which value is minus 411 kilojoule per mole. Don't forget this chloride, just focus on sodium. This sodium in the form of solid convert into gas. Na in the form of gas. Remaining remains same, half Cl2 in the form of gas. Here enthalpy of atomization is included, which value is plus 108 kilojoule per mole. Then next you can draw a line here. Then we are having this sodium converts into Na. Losing electron, it become positive gaseous ion, single positive gaseous ion, and half chloride remains same. And here enthalpy of ionization is included, which value is plus 496 kilojoule per mole. Na plus 1 electron, this is in the form of gas, plus, remove the arrow, put the arrow upward, half Cl2. Now putting the arrow chloride. Now forget NaCl. We are removing this 1 electron because chloride also gain 1 electron. Na remain same in the form of gas. Now we are focusing on chloride. Chloride converts gas into Cl in the form of gas. It converts into this chloride, single chloride atom. Here enthalpy of atomization is included, which value is plus 121 kilojoule per mole. Kilojoule per mole. Then it converts into NaCl. This whole converts into NaCl. Here is negative, here is positive. So it converts into NaCl as we have written in the formula of Na plus half Cl2 gives NaCl. This is solid, gas, and solid. Then by converting it we get Na plus Cl minus, which converts into NaCl. So same process is here. Here enthalpy of lattice is included. Value we have calculated, which is minus 787 kilojoule per mole. This is the first path. This is first path, and this whole is the second path. This is step A and this is step B. So in this way you will draw the diagram of Hess's law. Conclusion is change in enthalpy, sum of change in enthalpy cycle is equal to 0. How it is equal to 0? Enthalpy of formation is equal to enthalpy of del Hx plus del HL. Now this value is minus 411 and here minus 787, and this value we get here 376 is del Hx value. Now adding them we will get minus 11. So minus 411 is equal to minus 411. So in this way you will draw the Born-Haber cycle for NaCl. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.